Hello everyone. Hello to the deaf community. I am here and I'm excited to announce to you the grand opening and inviting you to a fun event. The event is RideKC Streetcar. The kickoff will include looking towards the streetcar with the line extended now to Main Street. We welcome you to join us in celebrating the grand opening with presentations and announcements given by the Kansas City Mayor, City Council officials, the Federal Department of Transportation will be giving us a big presentation. And also to let you know, we have sign language interpreters secured for that event. We hope you will consider joining us for this fun, family-friendly event. The event will also include taking a ride on the streetcar all the way down the line to the Riverfront Market area, and then the return trip back here to UMKC in the Plaza. It will be a fun experience. The event will take place Friday, October 24th, 2025. The time for the event will begin at 10 in the morning. Please meet here at the Plaza stop location at the point where the streetcar loads. We will watch the presentation and have fun. I hope you all can join us for this fun ride of experience. We'll be here. We hope to see you too. Bye-bye.